There's a breaking news coming in. SpiceJet staff has slapped a CISF personnel. This incident took place at Jaipur airport. SpiceJet has issued a statement over the altercation. CISF personnel misbehaved with the female staff. That's what they are telling. Inappropriate language by the CISF personnel was used. We stand by our female staff. Serious case of sexual harassment is done from the SpiceJet, taking immediate legal action. So this is the breaking news coming in. SpiceJet staff was seen slapping a CISF personnel. You can see the visuals here. She was seen furious. Now the SpiceJet has issued a statement also over the altercations, stating that the personnel misbehaved with the female staff and we stand by her.
एयरपोर्ट मामले में सुबह सीआईएसएफ कंट्रोल रूम से इतना मिली थी कि यहाँ पर जो टू पे व्हीकल पे आपराधिक गतिविधि हुई है, गाड़ी भेजें। मैंने चेतक को भिजवाया था और इस बात को लेकर के एक एफआईआर दर्ज कराई सीआईएसएफ ने और उस पर जो अनुसंधान किया, सीसीटीवी फुटेज वगैरह लेके सारा पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद उस महिला को गिरफ्तार किया गया।
Our colleague Gajraj is joining us on the broadcast. Gajraj, what exactly happened? SpiceJet is saying that it was the CISF personnel who misbehaved, and after that this happened. What is the whole story?
See, the investigation is still underway, but the information that we have received is this particular woman was trying to, enter the airport around 4 a.m. and as per the sources, the CISF personnel who is the ASI, he, told the woman to wait for the female security staff to, check upon her, and she was not there. And she tried to get in, and then the, altercation took place, and this particular incident happened, and she went into slap this particular ASI. Now, the SpiceJet has also claimed what they have been, issued a statement and reached to police as well, and another case has been registered from the CISF side on this particular woman, and she is right now under the custody and further investigation is underway.
And what is their side of the story, the CISF's?
See, right now this whole matter is with the police, and CISF also lodged a complaint against this particular woman for this misbehavior, because this is for the first time something like this has happened, because a person who is on duty in uniform has been slapped by a flight attendant, and this case has come to the light for the first time at an international airport. So it's a pretty serious matter, and the police is still investigating the matter and knowing to the cause of what has exactly happened in that particular scenario.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us, Gajraj, on the broadcast.